Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Microsoft Store application and what is Microsoft Store application and what are the uses of Microsoft Store application, how to use the Microsoft Store application and how we can install a game or app on this Microsoft Store application. Friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. First you will get the notification of every new video. Like the video and comment on how you liked the video and share it with your friends. If you share the knowledge, then knowledge will increase. Friends, Microsoft Store application is an Windows Marketplace application which was developed by Microsoft platform to deliver all the apps just like Google Play Store and Mac App Store. So friends, with Microsoft Store application, you can get all the applications in Windows desktop or laptop. It was started in Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. In Windows 7, this application is not available. If you want, you can install this application. So friends, here we can see here Microsoft Store application. If you want to open the Microsoft Store application, just go down and open the start button and type Microsoft. You can see here by clicking this option you will get a Microsoft Store application. You can check here in the taskbar beside Windows start button. You can check here Microsoft Store application is available here. So here friends, in Microsoft Store application window you can select whatever the app, game and streaming applications, music application, video applications you can select here. You can check here in apps. These are all the apps which you can install on Windows desktop, laptop, just like WhatsApp, Instagram. You can directly install on the desktop or laptop or Windows Server 2012 onwards. So here you can get all the applications just like Canva, Adobe Photo Express and streaming apps, trending, Snapchat, all these applications directly on the Windows 10 laptop, desktop and Windows Server also. Games are also available here. Microsoft Store application. You can get all the games which are free and paid games also here. You can get all the types of games here. So this is also same platform just like Google Play Store, but here, this application completely operated by Microsoft platform. Install all these applications. You don't need any another software or any other platform, any third-party platform to install all these applications, all these apps directly on your desktop or laptop. So friends, to install any game or any app on your desktop or laptop, we will just select this Instagram and Instagram app here. We'll know how to install the application here. Here in description you can see here Instagram, all the details here. So here you can check these system requirements. A green tick mark is here. If this tick mark is not available, you cannot install this application. So friends, please check this. If you are unable to install any app or any application, any game from Microsoft Store, then you can check here system requirements. You can check here the green tick must be there. Without this green, cannot install any application or any game from Microsoft Store on your desktop, Windows desktop or laptop PC. By clicking get, you will directly install an application on your desktop or laptop and you can use it directly. So friends, we can also check in library. You can check in library apps, games, films and TV and included with device. Here you can check here all the applications available installed on this PC. If you want any application to be removed, we'll just go click the application. Here only option will be available here. Friends, if you want to share the application, write a review or print to taskbar, you can click here in three dots and get the options here. So friends, that's all for the day. In today's video we just learned about how to use the Microsoft Store application and what are the uses of Microsoft Store application and how we can install a game or app on this Microsoft Store application in today's video. To watch all the technology videos, please go through all the videos of our channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. First you will get the notification of every new video. Like the video and comment on how you liked the video and share it with your friends.